How many times have I whispered to the moonlight on a full moon? How many times have I sang along with the rain? God damn it, I don't know. God damn, I don't know. How many times have I used the book of Charles Bukowski hymns as a hymn book for my life? God damn it, I don't know. Here comes the rain. Shit. I know I've lost count, but only this rain brings me peace. Here I am again. Here I am again. Solitude.
All I wanna do
Yeah, that's right.
is wake up next to you.
Solitude. Isn't that where we actually find peace? Shit.
All I
Here
wanna
I am again.
is staring right in front of
Praying to myself.
I'll make amends, but you're trying to
Shadows. Bastard words. Starting books I'll never finish. But here I am again. Skimming books. Skimming books that I'll never finish. Just like the poems I write, the thoughts I write. God damn it. Here I am again. I'm not gonna enter this mindset again. This one that occasionally toys me. I'm not gonna enter this bastardized mindset ever again. This is almost what got me killed last time. This is where I almost lost my mind the last time. But god damn it, here I am again. Though this time temporary, forcing these thoughts out of my mind.